Once upon a time, in a far off kingdom, there lived a beautiful princess named Snow White. She had skin as white as snow, lips as red as blood, and hair as black as ebony. Snow White's stepmother, the queen, was jealous of her beauty and feared that she would one day surpass her. The queen consulted her magic mirror, which told her that Snow White was indeed the fairest of them all. Enraged, the queen ordered a huntsman to take Snow White into the forest and kill her. However, the huntsman took pity on Snow White and told her to run away. He killed a deer and brought its heart back to the queen, telling her that Snow White had been killed. Snow White found herself lost in the forest, where they stumbled upon a small cottage belonging to seven dwarfs: dark, grumpy, happy, sleepy, bashful, sneezy, and dopey. They welcomed Snow White into their home, and she stayed with them. Meanwhile, the queen discovered that Snow White was still alive. When the magic mirror revealed the truth, disguising herself as an old hag, the queen offered Snow White a poisoned apple, which put Snow White into a magical sleep. The dwarfs discovered the queen's plan and chased her away, but they were unable to revive Snow White. Just as all hope seemed lost, a handsome prince arrived and fell in love with Snow White. He kissed her, breaking the curse, and Snow White awakened. The queen was punished for her cruel deeds, and Snow White and the prince got married, living happily ever after. The seven dwarfs were welcomed as honored guests at the wedding, and they all lived happily ever after. I hope you enjoyed the classic tale of Snow White. Do subscribe. Take care.